If you want to use Add Me feature in camera on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then here's what you need to do. So first of all, of course, we're going to open the camera and we're going to switch to the Add Me mode. If you go here for the first time, then you will have a little explanation of how it works. And we can just follow the steps that will be displayed on the screen so that you can actually take the photo as intended. But I'm gonna explain how it works. So first, the photographer of the group should take the photo. So everyone should be in that photo except for the photographer, obviously. However, it is important to leave a space for the photographer, so then later on one person can take the camera and they can take a photo of the photographer, and only the photographer. So we're gonna press OK. You take the photo of the group, capture the photo, and then you change position. You stand in front of the camera if you were a photographer at first, then you go into the place where it was the space left for the photographer, of course, and then someone from the group takes the photo. Now it is of course quite important to make sure that you are the only person in that second photo, so then the phone can actually mix these two photos together and the Pixel can add you into the rest of the group. And that's pretty much it. In case you need once again some help and information, we can tap on this question mark in the top right corner. This will reopen the information about the Add Me feature, so you can read that again in case you need that. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.